The aims of teaching and learning mathematics are to encourage and enable pupils to recognize that mathematics diffuse through the world around us, to understand and be able to use the language, symbols, and notation of mathematics, to develop mathematical curiosity and use inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning when solving problems, to become confident in using mathematics to analyze and solve problems both in school and in real-life situations. Develop abstract, logical, and critical thinking and the ability to reflect critically upon their work and the work of others. And what are the objectives? Number one is the knowledge and understanding. To know and demonstrate understanding of the concepts from the 5 branches of mathematics: number, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, statistics and probability, and discrete mathematics. Number 2, we have the investigating patterns. What does it mean? Investigating patterns allow students or pupils to experience the excitement and satisfaction of mathematical discovery. When investigating problems in both theoretical and real-life contexts, pupils or students should be able to select and apply compatible facts and mathematical problem-solving techniques, to trace patterns and relationships or general rules, to draw reasoned judgment marked with agreement findings, and to demonstrate or prove mathematical relationships and general rules. Number 3, we have communication in mathematics. It provides a powerful and universal language. Students or pupils are expected to use mathematical language appropriately when communicating mathematical ideas, reasoning, and findings both orally and in writing. So what does it mean? Use appropriate mathematical language. And what are those? We have notation, symbols, terminology in both oral and written explanations. Use different forms of mathematical representation, formulae, diagrams, tables, charts, graphs, and models. And the last one is reflection in mathematics. This is very important to us, right? To show logical development whether the result makes sense in the context of the problem. To make plain or understandable the importance of the findings. To prove the degree of freedom from mistake or error of the results were specifically suitable. And the last one is to mention improvements to the method when absolutely needed. So how are we going to apply this? I will give you one scenario. So I will show you a picture and let us try to analyze. Okay, getting the pupils to study the picture. Here are some guiding questions. Look at the advertisement for chocolates. Can you post a statement about the quantities of the boxes chocolates using ratio? How many boxes of chocolates do you think Janice will have for her purchase? Look at the advertisement for t-shirts. What is the ratio of the number of t-shirts purchased to the number of free t-shirts? What is the ratio of the number of pairs of jeans purchased to the number of free cups? And how many t-shirts must Cindy buy if she wishes to get 2 free t-shirts? From this point of view, the pupils will learn the concept of ratio and its relation to fractions and solve a variety of word problems that incorporate fractions and context before, after situation. This is Mr. Edgar, Guru Matematika, Class 5, Class 6. Terima kasih.